Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million white-collar jobs gone by 2028. That is not speculation. That is their official report. McKinsey confirms it. 50% displacement in knowledge work. Not factory work, your work. Right now. Over 47,000 accountants replaced. Last quarter alone. By Claude and GPT-4, IBM eliminated 8,000 jobs, hired 0 replacements, filled gaps with automation. Morgan Stanley traders, down 40% headcount. Productivity up 67%. The math is brutal. One AI does work of 5 humans at 2% labor cost. Your salary divided by 50. That is the economics playing out. Today, not 2030. Today, Deloitte predicts legal discovery work 90% automated by next year. Paralegals vanishing. Tax preparation, same story. TurboTax already does the work. Your job might be next. Check your email. How much is automation? Every month, your inbox grows faster. Every quarter, your company buys more AI seats. Wake up. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.